Cryptocurrency Chapter 2. What is blockchain? A blockchain is a database that gets shared among a computer network. It is well known for its important role in the systems of crypto, like Bitcoin. Blockchain helps in the maintenance of a decentralized and secure transaction record. One of the primary differences between a blockchain and a traditional database is how the data gets its structure. One blockchain gathers info in groups, also called blocks. As they get filled, they are closed and get linked with the previously filled blocks. It results in the formation of a data chain called a blockchain. A typical database helps to structure all kinds of data in the form of tables. But in the case of blockchain, the data gets structured into blocks or chunks that bind together. Functioning of a blockchain. The primary goal of a blockchain is to permit digital info to get recorded and distributed but cannot be edited. Following this, a blockchain can be regarded as the foundation of transaction records that cannot be deleted, changed, or destroyed. Decentralization of blockchain. A blockchain permits the stored data in the database to be spread out among various network nodes, and that too at different locations. It will not only create redundancy, but can also maintain the accuracy of the stored data. In case someone tries to change a record of the database, there will be no alteration in the other nodes. So it can prevent a hacker from doing so. Blockchain and transparency. Due to the decentralized structure of the blockchain of Bitcoin, every possible transaction can be viewed transparently by using a blockchain explorer or having a personal node. In case the stolen Bitcoins were to be spent or moved somewhere, they would get traced. Indeed, the stored records in the blockchain of Bitcoin are encrypted. Is it secure? The technology of blockchain attains decentralized trust and security in various ways. To start with, all kinds of new blocks get added to the blockchain and all the time. Suppose a hacker wants to change a blockchain and steal cryptocurrencies from other people. It will not align with the copies of other people. As everyone cross-reference the copies with one another, they will find the copy of the hacker. Banks versus Bitcoin's implementation of blockchain. In order to see how a blockchain differs from a bank, let us compare Bitcoin's implementation of blockchain to the banking system. Opening hours. Bitcoin has no set hours and is open 24/7, while banks have fixed timing of 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on weekdays. Transaction fees. Bitcoin's variable transaction fees depends on users and miners, while banks have various fees like card fees, check fees, transfer fees, and many others. Speed of transaction. A Bitcoin transaction can take about 15 minutes, while in banks, regardless of the kind of transaction, the basic speed of the transaction is 1 day. Ease of transfer. In Bitcoin, a mobile phone and internet connection are the only requirements. While in banks, a mobile phone, identity proof, bank account, and many other things are required. Security. Large amounts of Bitcoin are stored in cold wallets, which are not that easy to be hacked, while the security of a bank account depends on the security of the bank server. How are blockchains utilized? We already know that blocks on blockchain help in storing data. There are more than 10,000 cryptocurrency systems that run on a blockchain. However, some of the popular companies that have started using blockchain are Pfizer, Walmart, Unilever, Siemens, AIG, and others. There are various other implementations of blockchain too: finance and banking, currency, property records, healthcare, smart contracts, supply chains. Blockchain comes with the power of making government and business operations more efficient, accurate, cheap, and secure with fewer or no middlemen. It can be said that it is only a start for blockchain, and we can see even more advanced applications in the coming future. I hope you liked the video. In that case, I invite you to subscribe and put a like to support the channel. Thanks.